Before diving into fractions, let's understand quotative division using whole numbers. Consider a simple problem, 6 divided by 2. In quotative division, we are simply asking, how many groups of 2 fit exactly into 6? Single quote. Let's visualize this using 2 number lines. On the top line, we represent our dividend, 6. On the bottom line, we represent our divisor, 2. This becomes our base unit, or our measuring stick. Let's measure. This length of 2 fits into 6 once, twice, and 3 times exactly. Since our unit of 2 fits exactly 3 times, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Now, let's apply this exact same logic to fractions. Now, let's look at our main problem using the exact same measurement model. Let's look at the problem, 3/4 divided by 2/3. Just like with whole numbers, we can ask, how many 2/3 fit into 3/4? Single quote. To visualize this, let's set up our 2 number lines again. On the top number line, we'll plot our dividend, 3/4. On the bottom line, we'll plot our divisor, 2/3. This 2/3 becomes our standard measuring stick, or our base unit. Right now, it's difficult to compare fourths and thirds. So, let's divide each unit on our number lines into 12ths to find a common denominator. 3/4 is equivalent to 9/12, and 2/3 is equivalent to 8/12. Now, instead of worrying about fractions, we can just count the spaces. Our top line is exactly 9 spaces long, and our bottom line takes up exactly 8 spaces. Let's measure. Our base unit of 8 spaces fits into the top line once. To fit a second full unit, we would need another 8 equal spaces. But we don't have enough to make a full second unit. We only have a remainder of 1 space. So, what fraction of a unit is this? Since our remainder is 1 space, and it takes 8 spaces to make a full unit, that leftover piece is exactly 1/8 of a unit. Therefore, 9/12 divided by 8/12 is exactly the same as 9 divided by 8. The final answer is 9/8, or 1 1/8.